Jill and Jodi were identical twins, but their personalities couldn't be more different. While Jill was loud and sports-loving, Jodi preferred to keep to herself, devouring book after book in a day. Despite their differences, the twins loved each other dearly and enjoyed spending time together. One day, their parents decided to take them on a family vacation to Hawaii. Excited for the trip, Jill and Jodi couldn't wait to hit the beach and enjoy some quality time together. However, things took an unexpected turn when they arrived at their hotel. As soon as they checked in, Jill noticed that her room was right next to the pool, while Jodi's room was on the other side of the hotel. Feeling mischievous, Jill convinced Jodi to switch rooms with her, thinking it would be fun to have a poolside view. But little did they know, their parents had already made plans for them to spend the day at different activities. Jill found herself at a golf course, while Jodi was left alone in her new room, feeling bored and disappointed. Determined to make the most of the situation, Jill started playing golf, using Jodi's room as her makeshift practice space. Meanwhile, Jodi spent the day reading in her room, trying to escape the chaos that ensued outside. As the day went on, their parents grew worried when they couldn't find either of them at the planned activities. They searched high and low, but couldn't locate Jill or Jodi. It wasn't until late evening that they finally found them, exhausted from their respective adventures. Jill had golfed for hours, impressing the instructors with her skills, while Jodi had read non-stop, finishing 3 books in one day. Despite their differences, the twins had both found ways to enjoy themselves, proving that even though they were identical, they didn't always have to be alike. As they returned to their hotel room, tired but content, Jill and Jodi couldn't help but laugh at their misadventures. They realized that being twins wasn't just about looking the same. It was about embracing each other's unique qualities and finding ways to have fun together, even when they were on opposite sides of the hotel. From then on, Jill and Jodi made pact to always support each other, no matter what, and to never take their differences for granted. And as they drifted off to sleep, they knew that their bond was stronger than ever, thanks to their adventure in Hawaii. What were Jill and Jodi's personalities like, according to the story? Jill was loud and sports-loving, while Jodi preferred to keep to herself and devour books. What were the twins doing at the start of the story? The twins were preparing for a family vacation to Hawaii. Why did Jill convince Jodi to switch rooms with her? Jill convinced Jodi to switch rooms because she wanted a poolside view and thought it would be fun. What were the twins' parents planning for them to do on their vacation? Their parents had planned for them to spend the day at different activities. How did Jill and Jodi feel about their misadventures at the end of the story? Jill and Jodi laughed about their misadventures and realized that being twins meant embracing each other's unique qualities and finding ways to have fun together, even when they were on opposite sides of the hotel.